Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you a quick tutorial on how to add Square appointments to your Squarespace website. So of course, you need to go here. So log into your Square account. Then as you can see here, you just need to create a website here. So here, you'll be able to now edit your website here. So here, you need to log in here and then in the Squarespace editor, you need to click the add button to add a block here and then select the button block from the menu and then going back on your Square appointment, you need to log in and then go to online booking and then under the booking page tab, you'll be able to see here and then copy the link that you need to copy here. So the first one is here, the add a booking button to your website. So as you can see here, you can set up the color of your buttons here, the font, then after that one, you need to copy here. And then right after that one, you need to paste here. So here, as you can see here, you need to go to this link icon and then paste your link here. And you'll be able to see it. So that's it. And then after that one is you need to add a booking link. And then after is a hyperlink text. So add a text block to the page and then type a phrase like, for example, to that one is check the link here to book an appointment. So you can highlight the text or click the link icon and then also paste your Square booking link. And then you can now click apply to save the hyperlink. After that one in the Square, go to the online booking. Then here in this part, you will be embedding the booking form. So for example, to that one is another text block and then visit this link and then in the Squarespace, add an embed block by clicking the add button and then select embed. And then paste the embed code into the block and adjust the dimensions if needed. So after that one, you can preview your page to ensure the button, link, or form works as expected. So once satisfied, click save or publish to make it live on your website. Now your Squarespace website is fully integrated with Square appointments, making it easy for clients to book online.